Hey, hello again. Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Excited to be with you today. Here to show you Starcraft's EX20F. It's the perfect boat for the family as well as the fishermen. So really cool options here. First thing you're going to notice, we have a half gate here. So if you're going to use a trolling motor on your pontoon, for those guys who love to fish, we do have the trolling motor plug and a half gate. And let's take a look at what the rest of this boat has to offer. A really, really cool package. We have nice, comfortable bench seats here, recessed cup holders to make sure everyone here on the cruising side of the boat is going to be comfortable. As we work our way to the back, it gets a little bit more made for the fishermen. So we have two really nice fishing seats here, good lumbar support, really comfortable seats to fish from. They rotate, give you good access back here. We have a full livewell here as well, so you can fill that up with fish as you catch them. You might want to use it as your cooler, whatever's better. And we have a high pressure washdown system that pulls it in lake water and lets you spray it off your floor. So if you get some nightcrawler dirt, any of those things, great way to keep your boat looking clean. Here on the side, another great feature of this boat is rod holders. So if you want to keep your fishing rods in the boat overnight at your dock, great way. This is lockable, keeps your fishing equipment safe, and lets you have one less trip to the car each day. So really, really nice feature there. We do still have everything that makes the driver comfortable here, from the Helix 5, fish finder, the Wet Sounds audio system, as well as a power bimini top. So really nice features here that make this boat great for anyone who wants to fish, but also who wants to cruise. So it's a really good boat for everyone. With everything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, a full mooring cover, a full tank of gas, in-state delivery, on-water lesson, all included with the price. If you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.